Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do the elevator drop squat. So my friend Dan John talks about as you age, you need to have bounce. And bounce is to me, it's your spring ability. So if you fall, you can bounce up, or it's just your ability to almost be like a human pogo stick sometimes. And what I mean by that is if you ever see kids run around or play around, they're pretty bouncy, but how often do you see adults just bounce around? Well, it's not common. And I think that's one of the reasons, especially if you listen to Dan, that's one of the reasons why adults, as they age, they get injured, because we lose the ability to bounce, or we lose our ability to move, basically because we don't expose ourselves to the ability to move. So the way your body works is it's use it and have it. Use it and keep it. Use it and build it. So if you want access to something, some quality in your body, you actually have to expose yourself to that quality. You got to challenge your body to have it. Anyway, one of my favorite moves to expose myself to bounce is do what I call the elevator drop squat. And if you imagine that you're in an elevator, have you ever been in an elevator and it just kind of drops out from under you and you're like, whoa, they kind of move kind of fast, right? Or the Tower of Terror at Disney World. But so imagine the floor drops out from under you and you have to drop and catch yourself. So it's almost as if the floor just drops out, your feet come off the floor a little bit and you catch yourself. So again, it can look just like that. But what that does is it helps you practice speed, bounce, absorption, absorbing power, coming back up out of it. You're exposing yourself to different qualities of movement that you don't typically get. And it's these qualities of movement that it could save your life and keep you bouncy throughout your life as you age, so that you can like Chris Farley or whoever you want to be, whoever your hero is. So again, to practice the elevator drop squat, you just let the floor drop out from under you. Now you can go like a mini drop squat, 3/4 of the way, or 1/4, that was not 3/4 of the way down, 1/4 of the way down, or you can do a full drop squat. And that would look more like that, where you just really catch yourself at the bottom. You can even add speed to that by accelerating your hands from the top down. This is something I like to do. Whatever you do, don't hit yourself in the head, but you're gonna use your hands, you're gonna slam your elbows down towards your knees as you drop, and it kind of creates a little bit more force to catch and absorb when you recoil at the bottom. So it looks like you can add your breath to it. I don't know if you can hear me breathing out as I drop, but it just gives you a little bit more, makes you a little more springy, more like a pogo stick. Anyway, that's a way I like to practice bouncing. Also like to do skipping for bouncing, but if I don't have a lot of room or I'm feeling lazy, I just want to do some drop squats. And again, it's just to expose myself to bouncing so that I can retain the ability to bounce later. All right, that's my tip for this week. Expose yourself to the qualities that you want, but not to other people. That sounds really weird. Anyway, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.